Okay, this video is taking you to the challenge section of day 3. So if you are following along in a printed out version, this is the last page. This is on page 5. Down here on the regular challenge, we're adding multiplication and division functions to our app. So we're going to go back to App Inventor, and we're going to start with the design screen. We're going to go to List Picker. This is where we give the user choices, okay, where this changes from addition to subtraction. And now we're going to need to add in multiplication and division as choices as well. So this is going to be comma, the asterisk for multiplication, comma, the backslash for division, okay? And now we're ready to go to blocks and do some programming. Okay, the cool thing, what I think the cool thing about programming is once you figure out one thing, you can easily adjust it for another function. Like we've already figured out addition, we've already figured out subtraction. So figuring out multiplication and division shouldn't be that difficult. Okay, so we know that we're going to want to duplicate this. And I'm just going to attach it down at the bottom. We're going to end up with 4 of these since we're doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one again. That way we have them all. Hook them all together. And all 4 are going to go inside this if-then. Okay? So addition and subtraction we leave as is. Now we need to come down here and look at multiplication and division. So if the list picker equals the asterisk, we're going to do multiplication. So what we're going to need to do here is we're going to need to find in math, we're going to need to substitute this box with, instead of a subtraction function, we're going to need to find a multiplication function. So we're going to come through here. Okay, and right here is going to be multiplication. And they actually use a traditional multiplication sign. So I guess we could change that to a traditional multiplication sign instead of the asterisk. And then text box 1 text is going to be multiplied by text box 2 text. And we delete this guy. Okay? So this programming is all the same. The only thing that changes is here the function should match the function here. And I'll go ahead and change that to a traditional multiplication sign. And of course we'll need to do that over here on the designer section too. So I'm going to replace that asterisk with a traditional multiplication sign, the X. Okay, back to blocks. Now I need to do division. Again, we're going to change this function to the backslash. That'll be what the list picker is looking for. And then all we have to do is pull out these 2 things, get rid of this, subtraction, and we are looking for the division symbol in math. And here's division. Okay, so grab that guy, fill it in with text box 1 text. So whatever the user types in the first text box, divided by whatever the user types in the second box. Okay, so it's that simple. I would encourage you to try the super hard challenge. It's really not that super hard, but it's worth a try. Okay, so we've gone through basically how to do it. You'll just have to identify these 2 functions and adjust your programming. So give that a try.